What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the Jbl Reflect Flow Pro true wireless earbuds, and these are coming in at 180 bucks, and they're a pair of earbuds geared towards athletes. They've got that ear fin design, which is going to give you a very secure fit for those times that you're hitting the gym. So for those of you that follow the channel, you'll know that the Jbl Reflect Mini have been my absolute favorite earbuds as far as strictly sound quality. Basically to date, those are my go-to earbuds when I want the best possible sound quality, and it's not audiophile, level sound quality or anything like that. It's just, raw unleashed power that you can really customize within JBL's app using their equalizer. So the Jbl Reflect Flow Pro are extremely similar to that, with a few upgrades. So let's go ahead and check these out, starting off with the charging case. So the case is a little bit on the larger side, which is typical for gym earbuds. So this is going to be better suited for like a gym bag rather than like your pocket or something like that. You do have some branding featured on the lid, and then on the front of the case you do have a little LED indicator bar there to help you gauge your battery life. And then over on the back is where you have your USB Type-C charging port as well as a reset button. The case does support wireless charging, which is always a plus, and that's one of the upgrades that you're getting compared to the Reflect Mini. You also have this lanyard on the side of the case, which you can use to attach it to like a gym bag or something like that. Once you open up the case, you can see the earbuds inside. You've got some nice strong magnets helping to keep the earbuds in place. So overall, I do like the case. It feels very durable, very solid. But like I said, this is going to be better suited for a gym bag versus carrying it around in your pocket. Moving over to the earbuds, they're nearly identical to the Reflect Mini, but you will notice that the ear fins are larger and more accentuated. But you are getting a combination of ear tips as well as ear fins to find the best fit for your ears. You're getting touch sensitive controls, and they are customizable within the JBL app. So between your ambient sound control, your playback controls, and your volume controls, you can pick and choose what you want to be able to control with the earbuds themselves, but you don't get control over everything at once. These are also giving you in-ear detection, which means anytime you remove one of the earbuds from your ear, your music will automatically stop playing, and then once you place them back into your ear, it'll automatically resume. You can disable this feature within the JBL app if you're not a fan. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0, and they're using dual connect technology, which means that you have a connection with both the left and the right earbuds. So if you want to use one while the other remains inside of the charging case, these have you covered. As far as battery life, you're looking at roughly 10 hours on a single charge, and that's with active noise cancellation turned off. With active noise cancellation turned on, they're claiming about 8 hours on a single charge. And then with the charging case, you're getting a total of around 30 hours of listening time. So battery life is another upgrade that you're getting compared to the Reflect Mini. These are also coming with an IP68 dust and water resistant rating, which is one of the highest ratings that you can get for a pair of active noise canceling earbuds. It used to be that IPX4 was about the standard, but you are starting to see some higher ratings, and I think this has to be the highest that I've seen so far. So after an intense workout, if you want to clean the earbuds, you can run them underwater, and you could even submerge them underwater for short periods of time. So as far as the fit, the ear wing on these earbuds certainly does its job. It really locks the earbud into place and gives you that secure fit. So these are easily going to be a great option for the gym, which is obviously what they're designed for. As far as comfort, for me, about an hour is the longest I can go until I need to give my ears a break. So these would definitely be my go-to gym earbuds, but not necessarily my daily driver earbuds that I would need to wear for extended periods of time. Now, keep in mind, I do have very small ears, and I'm sure that's playing a part in terms of the comfort. So maybe if you have larger size ears, you'll probably be able to wear them for longer sessions. Now let's go ahead and move over to the sound quality. So when it comes to in-app EQ, JBL is definitely one of my favorite brands. Within their app, they don't give you very many presets, but the level of control that you get over the customizable EQ band gives you a ton of versatility over the overall sound. So these earbuds are giving you some very aggressive sub bass. If you enjoy bass, you're definitely going to be pleased with the sound on these, especially once you start to customize the EQ. If you prefer more clarity and detail, you can easily dial back the bass and scale up the mids and the highs. So overall, you're getting plenty of range in terms of the sound, and it's a very dynamic sound. You're also getting plenty of max volume. So as far as these being gym earbuds, I think the sound quality is perfect. You're getting that nice aggressive bass to really power you through your workouts. More than enough volume to drown out any of the other noises going on around you. Now, comparing the sound on these directly with the Reflect Mini, they sound almost identical, but I would give a slight edge to the Reflect Mini in terms of bass. I feel like those earbuds are the closest you can get to having subwoofers in your ears. For the ultimate bass test, I highly recommend checking out the song Straightening by Migos. Even if you don't like rap music, this song is worth checking out just to test out that bass. Now, when it comes to the active noise cancellation, these are giving you some very solid performance, and I noticed that they perform the best with lower frequency sounds. So that's going to be things like engine noises. So if you do a lot of traveling, these are going to be an excellent option. Now, when it comes to things like voices, they don't perform quite as well, but overall it's still very respectable. And I would estimate that they're able to block out about 70% of your surrounding noises. The transparency mode also works really well. So this is going to use the microphones on the earbuds to allow you to hear more of what's going on around you. So for those times that you need to have a conversation or hear an announcement, you can do so without needing to remove the earbuds, and it gives you a very natural sound. So there's no excessive white noise or any delay or anything like that. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Jbl Reflect Flow Pro. So we have quiet conditions, so this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you take phone calls in a quiet environment. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. All right, so now we got some crowd noise being played on the speakers. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you choose to take phone calls in a noisy environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So overall, I think these make for an amazing set of gym earbuds. You're getting some great battery life, that nice aggressive sound, some respectable active noise cancellation and transparency mode, and some decent call quality to go along with it. And on top of that, you're getting that IP68 dust and water resistant rating, which means these are going to stand up to all types of different elements. So if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the links down in the description. And if you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. And aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.